Hey there, Rob Wells here with you, Landlord Warrior. Send your landlord-tenant questions to me. I'll try to answer them as best I can here. Got another question off of YouTube from Juan Rodarde. Asked, can he terminate the month-to-month tenancy because the tenant connected a washer without the landlord's permission? And he indicates that the unit is in a rent stabilization area. Could mean that there may be eviction control protections in that area. One, my 50 cents on this is, I don't think a court is going to evict a tenant for connecting a washer, particularly if your home has washer and dryer hookups. The thing is, in the landlord business, you may have a provision in your lease that says, tenant can't do X, Y, or Z. But under the law, you have to have what's called a material breach. And even if, assuming you have a provision in your lease that prohibits a tenant from connecting a washing machine, I just have concerns that a court is probably going to find this as not a material breach, rather it's a trivial breach. My thinking on this is because many units have washer and dryer hookups. That's kind of like an ordinary activity that tenants engage in, and everyone engages in, period, living, washing and drying their clothes, so forth like that. Absent any other factual information, such as like the washer is causing some type of nuisance, like, it's like super loud, it's disturbing other people, like it's broken, or it's causing damage to your unit. I just don't think you're going to get anywhere with this type of, terminating the tenancy for cause. I just don't see it here, absent, there's something else in your fact pattern here. So, my general advice to landlords is, don't go after ticky-tacky breaches like this. Really, what is the issue that is causing the problem? Is your tenant not paying rent? Are they, causing a nuisance? That type of stuff is actionable. I just don't see the breach here, even if you had a provision in your lease. That's just my thoughts. So send your questions, comments. I'll try to answer them as best I can. Landlord Warrior out.